Hello scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today doing another Secret Not Secret Kit Club challenge, and this one is actually going to be a double page layout, which I am super duper excited about. I haven't done a double page layout probably in over a year. So I'm super excited to be doing this one. I don't remember what challenge this was for. I think it actually was a sketch. And I don't remember if it was a 2-page sketch or what, but it was for the Secret Not Secret Kit Club challenge. Yeah, I don't remember. I'll try to find the sketch and post it here for you so you can see. So I had these two papers that were from Paige Evans. If you haven't seen my July kit share, this is using my new July kit, and I had like 3 pieces of this scribbly background paper and I absolutely loved it. So I decided I'm going to do a birthday layout for both Brennan and Tinian because we celebrated their birthday last year on the same day at home on Brennan's birthday, because his birthday is on a day in July, and then Tinian's is 2 days later. So we celebrated them with friends together because we were going to be gone on Tinian's actual birthday. So that's the reason why I decided to do this layout, a double page with both of them, because I took a ton of pictures that day and I wanted to use all of them. So here I'm just using some of my border strips that I had in my kit, and yeah, using them on the left hand side. I really am loving how this is looking so far. You can see on the right hand side that I did cut apart 2 border strips to use. Okay, so now you can see I am starting to think about where I'm going to add my photos, and I kind of do, I make this layout my own because I think the sketch was set up completely different. I just kind of tweak it to work with my photos because I did have only one 4x6 photo and it was the opposite direction and that I needed for the sketch and everything. So I just am kind of playing around with the placement of the photos. Okay, so now you can see that I've added this bag, which you can get from Spiegel Mom Scraps, I believe, and then these small doilies. I'm going to cut that one in half and then put the other part of it over on this left-hand side. Then I find this Live Out Loud 4x6 card that came from a cut-apart sheet that was in my kit, and that is from the Fancy Free collection by Paige Evans. And I really liked how it looked. And Tinian and Brennan are definitely my loudest children, so they like to live out loud. It definitely fit. So here I'm still playing with the placement and trying to figure out if I want to do, if I want to mat them. So I'm going to start gluing a few of these things down. I'm going to glue down the bag, and I figured if I wanted to do some journaling and everything, I could put the journaling tag inside that bag, and that would make it easier on such a busy layout to do journaling. I'm still going to put in that hi sticker. I'm thinking at this point my title is going to be Hi Birthday Boys, and that the 2 pictures up at the top are pictures of Brennan and Tinian at dinner on their birthdays. So we always go out to dinner for everybody's birthdays, and we like to celebrate going to their favorite restaurant. And so Tinian and Brennan both love Texas Roadhouse, and so Brennan chose to go to Texas Roadhouse for his birthday dinner, and it made both him and Tinian happy. So that is a picture of them at the restaurant while we were eating. And I am matting with this pink paper. I believe that is from a collection by Claudia Van R from a summer line a couple years ago. I think that was like 2016 maybe, possibly 2017. I really think it was 2016 when that line came out, but I'm not sure. I'll try to see if I can find it, if she still has it in her shop. Now I'm going to start gluing down these photos on the bottom. I decided not to mat them, but I have 2 photos of Brennan opening his presents and then 2 photos of Tinian opening his presents. And his friend gave him a big, huge, Tupperware container full of his favorite candy, which his mom had texted me and asked, hey, what's Tinian's favorite candy? And it's Sour Punch Kids. So, Sour Patch Kids, not Sour Punch, sorry. Yeah, Sour Patch Kids. I keep wanting to say punch. So he was so excited about that. I use this, what is this? A rubber charm piece, and it says this happened, and I put it over top of that Tupperware container because I thought that was kind of funny and cute to put there, and that was in my kit. So I am using up a lot of stuff in my kit this go around, and I'm so excited. I have already created 4 layouts, and I want to get a few more done with this kit because this kit was absolutely humongous compared to my June kit. So now here I'm going to put a few not stars, those are definitely not stars, hearts. I do know my shapes, I promise. I'm going to put a few of these heart shapes around. They are puffy stickers. I don't remember who they're from, but I've had them in my stash for quite a while. Maybe Lawn Fawn or, I don't know, Pink Fresh Studio, something like that. So I placed those around on this left side, and now here I'm bringing out these circles. So there is a pattern paper from Paige's first collection, Fancy Free, that has a bunch of colored circles with sayings on them. And so that one right there, I think it says heck yeah. The one on the right, it says right on, the navy blue one, and then the one on the bottom says, I think, good vibes or something. I don't have the layout in front of me, so I apologize. And then that pink one, I'm not really sure what it says. But I'm going to put those around the layout because I cut all of these up because I got like 3 pieces of this pattern paper, and I want to use all of the circles that I cut out of the papers. I want to use all of them up this month. So I'm trying to put them on as many layouts as I can. And you'll see another layout later this month. I think in a couple weeks. I think it's next week actually that I have it planned to go up. And I'm going to use more of these circles. So yay! Okay, so now I'm going to start placing everything on this right hand side of the 2-page spread. I'm going to glue everything down and yeah, pretty much just get her done. It's going to take a little while to get all of this done. Of course, my ATG runs out as well, so I'm going to cut this part out and I'll come back in a minute. Okay, so now here you can see I have all of my photos glued down where I want them, and I'm working on this cluster with those circles by that photo of Brennan. And that's one of my favorite photos of him from that day. I think it was the present that we gave him. I can't tell because my hand's blocking it and I can't really see the picture very well, but we gave him a little robot car that can like climb up walls, or it doesn't actually climb the wall, but it'll, like, if it runs into a wall, it'll keep going and turn itself around or something like that. He absolutely loves things like that. He gets them for his birthday or for Christmas all the time, and then he forgets about them literally like the next day or the next week. Probably not that bad the next day, but we buy him things like this all the time because he absolutely loves them. Or yeah, he loves them, but then he forgets about them because all he ever wants to do is play on his Kindle or play on the PS4 or whatever, you know? So this was, we decided it was on like super sale on Amazon, I think, or something, and normally it's like an exorbitant amount of money, and it was on super sale. So we bought it for him. I don't even remember how much it cost, and he was so excited. And so I think that photo is him looking at it, realizing what it is, and being like, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And I really just love that photo. And the photo above that is a picture of him using the new toy, and Max is staring it down because Max hates toys like this. He likes to bark at them to death, so it's kind of funny. So there I'm putting down that circle and another heart. And there I'm putting that circle up there with another heart. So basically every circle has a heart with it as well. I'm going to put the extra piece of this doily that I used next to the photo, or where I'm going to put the title, right up there. And then I think I'm going to work on the title, and then I think this layout is pretty much done. I didn't end up adding any sequins or anything to this one just because there was already so much going on, and I was really happy with just using the hearts and the stars. Or, oh my goodness, the hearts and the circles. Why do I keep saying stars? Apparently I really want myself to use stars on this layout. Okay, now I'm going to pull this from my stash. I didn't actually include an outfit in my kit, I don't believe. And this one actually just stayed in my kit after this layout. And I think I use it again on another layout because it just kind of matches the colors. It's perfect. I don't remember what it's from, but it's an old one. And I really like this outfit. It's an all caps alpha. So I'm going to use the sticker that says hi. That's from an old, I think it's Jelly Bean Soup. I want to say Jelly Bean Soup sticker set. I think from 2014 or 15, something like that. And then the title's just going to be Hi Birthday Boys. And that is going to be it for this layout. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys are enjoying seeing how I am using all of these kits that I'm going to be making. I am hopefully going to get a few more layouts up. I did get a job that I'm going to be starting on July 31st, so you might see my videos go down some next month, but I'm hoping to kind of at least post a few videos every week. So yay. I am now adding some more of those circles with the sayings on them. And yeah, I really do love how this layout turns out. And it kind of makes me excited to make more two-page layouts. So let me know if you would like to see more of those. I'm not a huge two-page layout person. I never really have been, but I would like to kind of do some more of them because I do take a lot of photos. So I'm thinking maybe I will try to incorporate them more in my layouts. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope that you guys are having a great scrappy week. Bye!